What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, out fishing with my boy Hunter, HPS Fishing. I'm gonna leave him linked down in the description below. We're doing a little 1v1 today. It's 7:30, probably fish till noon. We're gonna do best 5 wins. Winner takes all. No holds barred. I don't know what we're actually fishing for. We're just out for fun. But
oh, I got something.
What you got?
I got a little surprise for you.
If I win or lose?
That you don't know about.
Okay.
I cooked up.
What you got?
I figured we'd do these enough. There needs to be something that we're fishing for.
Oh, let's go! Are you kidding me?
Yep.
Dude, what?
Yep.
That's legit. You actually got it done.
I got it done.
That is sick. I love it. HPS Fishing versus SB Fishing 1v1 champion. That is amazing. Look at this. What a surprise.
Yep.
I want that thing.
Yep.
I want to put that right next to my Fountainhead Classic win and my 100K plaque from YouTube. That's going to go up there. That's sick.
Yep.
That thing's awesome. Now I got to beat you.
This is what
so
we're
wait, this
fishing
is
for.
the championship.
This is because we're tied.
I was not prepared for this. Okay.
Yep.
So
we're fishing for this.
What are we? 1-1? Or is it?
It's 1-1.
Okay. I love it. We're fishing for the trophy, baby. Let's go. What a surprise.
Oh, I'm taking you down.
I hope you do.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, 7:33. Let's fish till 12.
Fish till 12. I like it.
We'll meet back here at 12. Best 5 wins. And then I got to go save moose, and I'm taking that trophy with me. Let's go. What a guy. Well, it's supposed to be kind of a chill day. Just do a little 1v1 for fun. Gonna stop at like 10 and take some photos. But now that he's got that trophy, so right now we've got a low and incoming tide, which I haven't fished much of out here, but I think we'll be able to figure something out. Stopped here real quick to fish these offshore stumps. It's like 2 or 3 of them in a row. Got some, oh, come on, eat it. It's biting it. Small though. Probably gonna fish this and then hit those docks. Try a couple pads in between. Go from there. Time to hit the docks, boys. Come on. Come on. Solid first fish of the day. A 2-pounder. Drop shot on the dock. Folkstead special. It's 12 inches, right? Oh, he touches. Tiny. Hopefully we can get rid of him. Enjoy your stay, my friend. Last 2 fish I caught on this 6-inch robo worm. This is a Folkstead special. So I guess now I'm gonna see if I can catch a limit on the rest of these docks and keep going. Over the pole. Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Come here, big girl. Oh, skin hooked. Skin hooked. That's a good one. Oh, HPS fishing, you in trouble, boy. That one's probably 5 pounds. Where were you in the BFL, buddy? It's fish number 3. First cast with the slider head. This is a 6-inch fat robo worm. Color is bold bluegill. Kills it out here. But I don't have any regular skinny ones, so hard to throw this on a drop shot. I made that cast. I was on the left side of that pole. I was like, well, if I get bit, this one's gonna be trouble. Come on up. Another good one. Probably 2-pounder. Number 4. Give y'all some G juice. Same deal as the last one. Old bluegill robo worm. Skipping it into these docks and dragging it out as slow as I can. It's weird. I've been picking up the sleeper craw, chatterbait. I threw a spinnerbait for a little bit too, but could not get them to even touch anything but a drop shot or the shaky head. Come on, number 5. Where you at? We need that trophy. Hunter's let me borrow a couple different spinning rods. Wanted to try to find a good one for that Rico popper. If you guys saw the BFL video, I kept missing fish. I just needed something with a softer tip. But he gave me a Zodius and a 610 X Pride. But I had to throw a drop shot around on one for a little bit. This thing is sick. Eat it. That's big. Oh. Don't do it. Oh man, I hate these freaking hooks. Come here. Stop it. Stop it. Oh god. No. Gotcha. HPS, I hope you're catching a buddy. That's probably a 4. Nice. All right, that's a limit, boys. So funny. I decided to turn around and fish this dock again, and I was fishing it with the current. I was getting kind of blown into the dock. And normally I try to fish into the current, not with it. But I don't know, could be a directional thing. Hunter's probably fished about 57 spots. It's 10:37. I have fished 1 row of docks. A bite. That'll cull. Switched it up to the drop shot. That'll definitely cull. Number 2. I think that's like 7 fish I've caught in the last couple hours. Yeah, that's a pretty good call. Well, I guess I gotta start weighing these fish just in case. All right, so we gotta get rid of number 2 again. That's my smallest fish at 114. I think we got like an hour and a half left. Oh. I left the docks for like 5 minutes and realized I got 30 minutes left. I've been catching them here, might as well finish it off. Let's see if we can call one more. Let's just get another big one. Put a nail in the coffin. I don't think he's gonna do it. Yeah, he's only 1/8. You gotta go back, buddy. See ya. Shaky. Shaky, shaky. Slider, actually. Keep calling it a shaky head. It is a shaky head, but this is technically called a slider head. All right, let's go see what we weighed. Fun morning. Catch him? You lying.
Did you? Good. I didn't.
How many you got?
How many you got?
5. Any good ones?
No.
Nah, I don't have that much.
You beat me, I can tell.
I don't know, dude. I
lost
don't
a
know.
lot.
I wanted that trophy. What'd you say?
I lost a lot.
Did
That
you?
was fun.
That's always good.
I caught 5 stripers in the past 10 minutes.
Are they stacked up in there?
They're loaded.
That's sick.
So,
Let's weigh them.
alright.
You go first.
You go. You're the one that's got 5.
All right, my friends, we are about to weigh these fish in real quick. We're gonna put the weigh-in on Hunter's channel, so make sure you go click the link down in the description below, check out his video from today, and see who will be crowned champion